I don't like roasting English teachers who teach on TikTok or Instagram, but when I see them giving out wrong information, I want to correct that. I don't want English learners to get the wrong information. And there are some very good English teachers on those platforms. It's just sometimes they try to give information in such a quick way that it's just plain wrong. In today's English lesson, we are going to right some of those wrongs. For instance, I saw this on TikTok. It says the word fast and then 3 other words you could use instead of using fast. There was swift, nimble, and accelerated. I would say that you can't use any of those in the exact same way that you use fast. It's not that easy. You have probably heard of Usain Bolt, right? Like the fastest man in the world. Yeah, you can call him fast, but I wouldn't call him accelerated. No, not at all. And I suppose I could use swift, but that has a slightly different meaning than fast. And nimble? Yeah, that's not even really close at all. Usain Bolt is a fast man, but Usain Bolt is not a swift man. We use swift in a slightly different way. For example, you want swift justice. Justice is when somebody does something bad and then they are punished. So yes, that does happen quickly. I would use the word quickly to describe how justice should happen, but I wouldn't say fast exactly. In front of me is a river. There's the river, and that river has a current. A current is the movement of water in a river. You could call that current swift if it was fast, but I would say that that river, the current, it's kind of slow. It's not that dangerous. But if the current was swift, you would have to be very careful. Nimble actually means light on your feet. It doesn't mean fast. For example, a ballet dancer should probably be nimble. You want them to be light on their feet. Think of American football. Some of those football players can be over 300 pounds, but they run in a really light way. It's almost like they are half their weight when they run. They're really light on their feet. There's actually a nursery rhyme in English that has nimble in it, and it goes something like this. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, Jack jumped over the candlestick. If somebody is nimble, they might be able to run in a zigzag pattern really well. I talked about zigzag in a recent lesson on Komodo dragons. And the best definition for accelerated would probably be to go faster. Like faster might be a better definition. For example, if you are driving a car, you can put your foot on the pedal to make the car accelerate, to go faster. So maybe you're taking an English class, but it's not a normal English class. It's an accelerated English class. In an accelerated English class, you go faster than normal. Maybe you know English better than everyone in a normal English class. If you see any other TikTok or Instagram teachers giving out wrong information, let me know in the comments, and maybe I will do a lesson on that in the future. If you're looking for more English, right up there, I talk about the 5 toughest words in English. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.